All right, if I have no questions regarding this, I'm going to move on. I'm going to combine 3 and 4. Family members who refuse to get vaccinated, is it okay for them to keep their mask on to visit a newborn, or should we just say you cannot come unless you're vaccinated? And the second part of that question would be a toddler too young to receive the vaccine, what precautions can we take with her around our newborn? Dr. Mourani, you want to take that one?
So, I mean, anybody who's unvaccinated, preferably when it comes to contact with babies, even with the vaccinated people, and just, have general precaution in terms of hand washing. And if there's symptomatic, then the mask wearing is appropriate, or not even getting closer to the baby. That's reasonable. In terms of toddler, I mean, it's harder to control toddler, but hand washing is still important, and depend on where the toddler goes to. If he goes to daycare or other, schools, then definitely they're put at risk to bring the virus back home. But if the toddler is at home, then there's no risk.
Okay. Any questions from my audience members? For those of you on Zoom, I know you guys are on mute, but you can type out your questions. We'll find them on chat and we can bring them back here if you have them.
I'd like to also add, the Tdap vaccine that the grandparents have to take before they can go see their grandchildren, because that's a contagious disease that they can spread to them. Similarly, the COVID vaccine, should be, and I think a lot of hospitals mandate it before you can go and see the newborns. But even at home, I would strongly urge grandparents to be vaccinated before they come in contact with the newborn. And as Dr. Mourani said, if a toddler is at home and is unlikely to pick up the disease from anybody else, then you're okay. But if they go to daycare, then they need to be separated from the newborn, because their immune systems are just so weak for the first 6 weeks or so.
Okay.